Welcome your YouTube channel Lifestyle Knowledge. First, lifestyle is a term we often hear, but what does it really mean? Second, lifestyle is the way we choose to live our lives. It includes our daily habits, choices, and actions. Third, our lifestyle choices can have a significant impact on our physical and mental well-being. Fourth, it's not just about diet and exercise. Our social connections, hobbies, and leisure activities are also important parts of our lifestyle. Fifth, a fulfilling lifestyle involves pursuing our passions and working towards our goals. Sixth, taking care of our mental health is crucial for a healthy lifestyle. Practices like meditation and mindfulness can help us find inner peace and calm. Seventh, finally, a healthy lifestyle also involves exploring new places and experiencing different cultures. Eighth, in summary, lifestyle is all about making conscious choices that support our physical, mental, and emotional well-being, and bring joy and fulfillment to our lives. Subscribe to more videos.